Hi, I'm Yutaka from Canon Europe. Today I want to introduce our top-end cinema camera, EOS C700. This camera had a super certified 4K sensors, and good feature is we record multi-format, include our XF ABC format, also ProRes, and with the codex dockable recorder, you can record the cinema low format. This new sensor had 80% of dual pixel CMOS autofocus, which is each pixel have the two diodes, and the 80% of this sensor covers with diodes, and then detects the focus distance, and then adjusts the focus. If we shoot the large sensors, this autofocus system is quite useful to keep the focus the items. And then also, this camera had a new viewfinder, EVF V70. It's a OLED, the Full HD viewfinders. And this viewfinder, you can use with other cameras like a C300 Mark II or our C200. You can use this viewfinder also. And with built-in ND filter, 2, 4, 6, and 8 and 10 extend. So you don't need to add the ND filter in front. This internal ND system is quite useful for every shooting environment. For color point of view, we support various log format, include the original Canon log, and Canon log 2, and Canon log 3. Also, we support the various color space, include BT709, P3, and our widest color space, Cinema Gamut. So Canon log 3 is the successor of the original Canon log curve, which have the 14-stop dynamic range. And our Canon log 2 had a 15-stop dynamic range. And the recording slots, we have two CFast card slots. You can record the ProRes or XF ABC format here. And also we have one SD card slot to recording the proxy files. For audio, two XLR audio input, and SDI out, two Mono out, and Genlock sync, and the other 4 SDI. In front, you have that 24 and 12 volts, the power output, so you can connect to the focus motor or external monitors. So you can provide the power from here. And the user interface, we have a 6-button industry standard 6-button system. You can control the ISO, and setting the color space and the gammas, and setting white balance, and setting shutter, iris, and surround focus. And the alternative menu, we have some focus functions, like a focus assist, and the other autofocus setting you can select from here. The biggest feature is we developed a newly recording format named the Cinema Low Light. This enables to recording the 4K RAW internally to the CFast card in 12-bit or 10-bit RAW. This is to recording such a high codec file to the internal recording. This is a great benefit for the cinematographers. And also we have two SD card slots to recording the MP4 or XFABC format. And this SD card you can record up to 120p high frame rate option also. And the 2 XLR is in the body. and SDI out also in the body, and built-in Wi-Fi system. So quite one compact body recording the 4K RAW. It's quite useful for the multi-purpose of use, including like a gimbal style or put on the drones and rig it to as the shoulder cameras. Quite versatile style. And of course, that we have the Canon dual pixel CMOS autofocus technology to this camera. So we use the 100 EF mount. You can use the Canon's autofocus system.